Have you ever wished to have your own Procreate brushes? In this video, I will show you how you can create your own Procreate brushes in simple step-by-step process. It's very easy, so follow along. Create a new canvas. It should be 6000 by 6000 pixel. Here you will have two layers, background layer and layer 1. Hide the background layer and then choose the color white. And then there will be an icon like as it's called selection icon. You can go to selection and choose a rectangle. Now, create a rectangle which will be in white color. Once that is done, save the file as PSD format. You have to save it as save image. We are done with the preparation. Now we will start to create the brush. Go back to the canvas and go to brush library and click on plus sign to go to brush studio. Now here, click on shape and then import the shape that we have saved. So here is our rectangle. So basically we are done creating a brush. However, we can adjust anything that we want as our requirement. Here I am adjusting the stroke properties, the spacing. So here I want the blocks to be in the same line and have some space in between, so here I'm adjusting it. Once that is done, I'll go back to the canvas and test them. So here the blocks are coming but the opacity is less. You can always adjust the opacity and other properties of the brush in the settings. But that is basically how you can create a brush from an image. So it's very simple and it's so fun. All you need to do is to remember the steps to create a brush from image, and you can create any brush of any shape that you want. Future videos I will be sharing how you can create pattern and texture brushes. It's very simple and also fun. I have written the steps in the description. Make sure to save it and create your own brushes. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.